Now we will do the sub question number 3 of SOP1, that is creation of form. So before that we have just created the employee table. Now go to form object and go to wizard, create form by using wizard. Click on that. It will open the window, and from the window select the table from which you want the field. Just now we have created employee 1 table, so select that table. It will display all the field name, then click on that arrow. If you want all the field name, click that double arrow, then it will, you are putting all the field name in the form. So click on next. You don't want to create any subform, again click on next. There arrange the controls. See the form, different form design, select any one form design. So I will select first one, click on that, and again click on next button. Don't click on finish right now, click on next. See, after clicking the back side you will see the design, different form arrangement, means how you are arranging the different field name on the form. Then set data entry, then apply the theme, apply style, means you can select the any one style and click on next. When you are practicing at home, try all the styles available, check the output, then click on next. Set the name, means you can give the name to this form, give any name. I am giving form 2 as I already created form 1. So after giving form name, click on finish. So this is the form which we have created right now. So it will show to the left hand side all the field name, and to the right hand side in the text box all the records. See, from you can click on next to see the next record. Now we will insert the record number 103, which is not there in your table. So enter employee ID 103 and enter all the details of all the field, and we will add this record from the form itself, not in the table. See how you are adding the record. When after creating table, first you create the table, then double click, open it, then you are adding the record. But here from form you are adding the record. After adding, you can save this record, then it will be saved in the table. Enter all the field data correctly. Employee department IT, I have selected IT department. Then employee qualification, as the department is IT, select or enter some relevant IT qualification. So I'll enter B.E computer engineering. Short form. Then enter employee joining date. Month, day, year format. Even if you enter 4 digit in here, while saving, table will save last 2 digit. See, after entering data, click the save icon just below. Click record, save record. uh, see see the arrow, save record. Click on that, then only your record will be saved in the table. Then after saving record, you can close the form. Top right corner, close the form. Again open it, open the table and check your record whether it's save or not. First we will see the form 2. This is your form 2. Just now you have created the form. Now suppose you want see all the records, you can see all the record, then close the form again. Now suppose you want to check in table. Okay, exit the LibreOffice, you can check in your PC. Okay, save and close.